loves, what is up? If you are new to my channel, my name is AshecaLee, and if you are not, well, hello and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm really going to be showing you guys some easy tips and tricks to complete your makeup, and also I used some affordable products along with some high-end products, but for the high-end products I will have some list of recommendations for a dupe for that product, and it will pop up on the screen so that you guys can still, you know what to get if you don't necessarily have that high-end product. I just figured that's a good way in order for me to incorporate me using my high-end products and also showing you guys and letting you guys know what dupes I recommend for those specific products as well. So we achieved this very nice look, and you guys, this only took me 20 minutes to do. Now I say that only because I want you guys to know if I was not filming, I would have been done in 10 minutes. But because I'm filming, I want you guys to properly see what I'm doing. It took me a little bit longer, but this look can be achieved in 10 minutes, and it's definitely beginner friendly. And I just wanted to show you guys, you know, kind of like how I do my makeup when I'm in a rush. And my face is not heavy. I literally have a few products on my face in order to get this look. It's all about how you use it and the techniques and everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this look in 10 minutes or less, maybe if you were just that good, then yeah, keep on watching. Alright, hi my babies. It's been such a long time since I've actually even done a voiceover, you guys, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to remember everything that I am using in the video. When I say that I filmed this almost 3 or 4 weeks ago, so I'm not really up to date with what I was using. I completely forgot, but I'm gonna try my best. So I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to fill in my eyebrows, and a great dupe for this is actually the NYX eyebrow, the gel eyebrow pomade. It's very nice, and they have a lot of shades. If you don't like your eyebrows dark, they have lighter shades as well, but I really love that product, and it's very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. So I'm just going in and filling in my eyebrows and just combing everything through, you guys. This makeup look is very easy. When I tell you I did the most minimal amount of everything. So right now I am going in with my Too Faced concealer, and a great dupe for this product is the Maybelline concealer. Everything will be on the screen for you guys as well, and I will list all of the products down in the description box below. But I'm just carving out the bottom part of my eyebrows just because I feel like you know, that gives also a natural look rather than doing the bottom and the top, because I was really going for like a very natural look, and I just kind of wanted my face to look enhanced and not like I had makeup on, if that makes sense. So I'm just brushing through that concealer on my eyelids, and then I went in to moisturize my face with the Mario Badescu spray. And then I'm going in with some illuminator on the areas that I would normally highlight. And you guys can use the Maybelline strobe light cream for this. I use the It Cosmetics illuminator, which is kind of pricey, but the Maybelline strobe cream works just as well, just as good. And then you just want to rub that in. And once you do that, you can go ahead and jump on to foundation. I'm using the NARS foundation. A great dupe for this product is the Maybelline 24-Hour Wear foundation. When I say that, the consistency is the exact same, you guys. Like that, and that foundation is what, $12, I think. But yeah, that is a great dupe for this foundation. And I just used 2 pumps of this, and I'm just, you know, working it into my face, blending it out properly. And ignore that red bump that I have like in the middle of my hairline up at the top. I got bit by something and it was swollen, and it was just a hot mess, so ignore that. So for concealer, I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Tan, and I just went ahead and blended that out with the same foundation brush. And then for underneath my eyes, I went in with the Real Techniques brush to just kind of add a bit more Well, just because the foundation brush is too big to go underneath my eyes, so I use this brush instead, which I really love for blending out your concealer. And if you are definitely in a rush, my opinion, I feel like the brush moves a bit faster than the beauty blender, because with the beauty blender being wet, sometimes it can take off some of that product, and I feel like the brush just kind of blends it in a bit better and sometimes faster. So to set my concealer, I went in with the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. You guys ask me the shade name all of the time. It is Translucent 07041. And for bronzer today, we are using the Milani bronzer in the shade name Salil. And I love this bronzer because it has those beautiful shimmers in it, and it definitely adds a glow to your look. And especially if you're rushing and you don't want your face to look, you know, completely like enhanced, a bronzer like this is perfect. And you can definitely skip out on doing cream contour. This definitely does add to the look as well. And I like to take some of that bronzer on the sides of my nose just to enhance that contour just a little bit. And yeah. So next for blush, I went in with the Tarte blush, and this blush actually has shimmers in it as well. A great dupe for this blush is the Milani blush as well. Very good products, and yes, work it. So to set my face, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And for my eyes, I used the Juvia's Place palette. I'm not sure which one I used, but really I just used like a nice pink, a soft pink shimmer shade, and I'm just dusting that over my eyes just so that it can add something to the eyes. You don't want your eyes plain, but you know, a nice little subtle shimmer will do just fine. And then for mascara, I went in with the Maybelline mascara, just applying a small coat to my top lashes. I just feel like I have no lashes at all, like at all. I don't know where they went, but they have just disappeared over time. I can't find them. So there is my eyelashes, and then I went in with some eyeliner in my waterline. And you guys know this is the hardest part to film for me. And then for my lashes, I just went ahead and popped those on. These are from my collection. You guys, the website for lashes, hair extensions, it is coming soon. I promise you. I feel like I've been saying that forever, but I promise it is coming. I'm still working on a few things, and in no time, you guys will be able to order you some, okay? So for highlight, I went in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. And a great dupe for this highlight is actually the Wet n Wild highlighter. Those are dope, like bomb. Yes. And then for lips, I went in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. And I'm just outlining the bottom part of my lips and then also the top part of my lip as well. I think this is my favorite part of doing makeup. I love when we get to the lips. Just something about it. And I definitely do like to just overline my lips just a little bit, like very slightly, and just to the point where people just won't be able to tell. I don't like overdrawn lips too much, but just slightly, and it's perfect. And I went in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, one of my favorite shades. And you guys, that is pretty much it for this look. I feel like it turned out pretty good, and I really did this look in no time, and I know that you guys can do it in no time as well. Alright, love, so that pretty much completes this video. This is the end result of this look, and I really like the way that this looks right now. It's very nice and glowy and still looks very natural and subtle as well. So I really think that this is definitely like one of my go-to looks during the summertime. If I don't have enough time, or if I'm always in a rush, because I'm always late to something, so I kind of had to learn how to pick up the pace on how to do my makeup. So I kind of wanted to share with you guys, you know, what I learned, and yeah, how to make your face look really nice without taking forever to do it. I think that's our goal here, and I feel like we completed our goal. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and also leave the emoji of the video down in the comment section below as well. It is right here for you guys. And yeah, so before we go, today's motivational quote is, in order to let new things grow, you have to be willing to let old things go. Okay, and I have one more thing that I want to share with you guys. I saw this on Twitter and it was just like, so I felt this, so I want to share it with you guys. And it says, God, I want to bear fruit that reflects what my heart is full of. Whatever is causing me to produce anything that isn't pleasing to you, may you cut it off and remove it from my life. Cleanse my heart and renew my mind from all negativity. A fresh new day to change my mindset. And it meant something to me, and I just wanted to share that with you guys in case it means something to somebody watching this. So you guys got the 2-in-1 special in today's video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.